Hey guys, Minnesota Outdoors 101 here, and today we're fishing a tournament, and they're doing prizes already, and I just won this Daiwa rod, a 7-foot, I think it's a medium action. So we're going to try to catch some fish, and I'll try to get it on the GoPro, and we'll see how it goes, so wish me. Really? Another one? Dad, I got one. Dad, get over here. Hopefully bigger than 17. Oh, that ain't bigger than 17. Get him in.
Alright, bring it up to measure.
Good job, buddy.
That's a winner, chicken winner.
Hey, Jack, girl, grab my hook out.
Ouch. Oh. 5 minutes, you better hurry. Good job.
Where do we go?
You got it.
You
got it. You got to go wade in. Down there.
Just grab right here.
Grab underneath the gills. Yeah, don't grab the teeth. There you go. Oh my gosh, nice.
Oh, shoot.
Uh-oh.
Get down.
Where are you at?
Put him up here.
All right. Who do we got here?
22.
22.
Who do we got here?
Reed Bartell.
Okay, just a minute.
St. Cloud.
How old are you?
13.
Oh, you got a good one.
Should I put him back in?
If you want to, you can read.
22. St. Cloud.
Oh, you disqualified.
How?
You play hockey?
How big was
No.
it?
22.
Okay, you can play that. You got that on camera?
Yeah, I did. Hopefully.
You're good. Jack, get ready. Get it ready to go.
Alright, just catching Alex with a 22-inch northern.
Here we go.
Also the biggest fish of the tournament, Reed Bartell from St. Cloud.
Good job, Reed. Go over there in front of him.
Alright, everybody give Reed, Alex, they're making a big hand. What do you guys?
Nice to see the trophy. Sweet.
Alright, we'll see you stick around.
Hey guys, as you saw in the clips before, I did take first place in a youth tournament for any fish. It was just the biggest fish, and whoever got that was the winner. There was different age groups, and I was in the 10 through 14. And I won that on this rip and wrap. You can go check it out on one of my giveaway videos, and I'll put the link in that in the description. So I caught it just jerking it. I would pop it a few times, and then I caught a 22-inch northern off of that, and I won the tournament. So I'll just be showing you guys what I won. And I want to thank the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers for putting this on, and all of their sponsors who helped them do that. So this is the trophy I got. It's pretty cool. My first place trophy. And then I won a hat light. And I won some line from Berkeley Trilene. It's 8-pound monofilament. I'll probably put that on a bluegill rod or something. And then I won this Daiwa rod, the split grip. It's a 7-foot medium action. It's a great rod. So that's what I won today. Thanks for watching this week's episode of Minnesota Outdoors. And be sure to like and subscribe, and check the giveaway. I'll put that down in the description below, and all you have to do is like the video and comment what you want to see in future videos, and subscribe. So thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.